Welcome to Analytics with Nags. Power BI course in 2026. Why I'm doing this? There are a lot of reasons behind it. Let's try to understand one by one. So Power BI has evolved a lot in terms of UI and technical aspects of it, and in terms of in the age of AI, there are a lot of features you need to learn, which I missed to do so in first year. So there is no point in making a videos in randomly. Instead, I thought of creating a complete course in 2026, because you cannot learn Power BI in 2026 how you have learned in 2019, and whatever videos I posted is with the old versions, right? So it will be better if I make a video once again with a lot of new features with a new UI. So my current focus on fundamentals, and also I will cover how to make dashboards look good. Earlier my prime focus is on make that proper data model and reporting, but there is an important skill I have learned that I have manned Power BI in the Fabric ecosystem. As I said, it is not just a Power BI now. Power BI is part of Fabric ecosystem. How you can utilize Power BI in the Fabric ecosystem. Then I will cover a lot of industry use cases, real world business scenarios, and how you can integrate AI and Power BI, right? So these are the things I'm going to focus on this course. So having said that, I will start with the fundamentals first, then I will go one by one. I will touch upon all these topics on random basis. Either it should be focusing on dashboard, or it should be based on real world scenarios or AI. So these are the key aspects I'm going to cover as part of. So regarding videos, it is not all the videos I'm going to upload it as a new videos. Mostly it will be new videos because I started recording on 20 to 25. In between I stopped. Then I have recorded. I'm going to record few more new videos as well, and certain fundamentals like Nags or some kind of charts. If you, let's say line chart, bar chart, those things doesn't change, right? So those things I will still try to upload it as an old video as part of this course. So that is what the note I want to make here. This course, whom this course is designed for: freshers, working professionals, career switchers, and it is not limited only for these people. Anyone who loves analyze data and create value out of it. So it is for anyone who loves data. Most of my subscribers or viewers are who are the job seekers, right? So what I'm trying to convey here is, yes, of course the job market is less compared to 5 years ago. Having said that, once you learn Power BI, it will make you to explore BI and AI as well, because BI and AI, those fundamentals comes from the your data analytics, right? So you should understand the data first. For that, data analytics paves the way for you. So once you understand it, you can also move on to learning next levels of data analytics, that is BI and AI technologies. So it doesn't end there. It will give you the opportunity to move further in other areas as well. So this is where your job market lies in. And Power BI alone is not enough right now. If you are seeking for a job, you need to have other skills like storytelling. You need to have some specific knowledge in the industry, domain, all other stuffs. But I can understand your question. If you are a fresher, how can I have an industry or domain knowledge, right? So basically you need to pick up one domain, let's say restaurant or whichever business you are aware of. Start building a portfolio, post it in LinkedIn, and this is the normal trend. This is the only available way for you, right? Job portals will help somehow, but LinkedIn will make you next level. I mean, you need to put in a lot of efforts. You need to create your profile and make your profile available, visible. You need to have a lot of connections. It is a continuous journey. You cannot expect you complete a course in 1 or 2 months and you will get a job. So it will take 6 months or even 1 year, but it is worth learning a technology.
So what topics I'll be covering as part of this course? I'll be starting with the desktop, making you too familiar with desktop version, why this tool is used, authoring tool. You can create a lot of visuals, and Power Query to transform your data, modeling so that you have multiple tables, how you relate them, and create calculations of using a modeling. And of course, DAX is a data analytics expression, which is the use it, right? DAX is a language for the Power BI. And once you are done with your Power BI desktop, how you will publish your reports in the services for sharing and collaboration, that will be covered in the services, and a lot of use cases, industry specific use cases. As I said in the beginning, I'm going to focus on the UI UX design as well in this series. Then some advanced topics, AI, as well as the what if analysis or any other advanced topics will be covered in this course. I hope with this note, I hope you will enjoy this course, that you, and do remember that data is your asset.